Remember, the fact is we have lost 3 young men and women, Tanya, Shreya and Nevin, different states, united in death in Delhi. The probe has now been initiated over Rao's IAS Study Circle, which is one of the most prominent leading coaching centers of UPSC in Delhi and other states as well. So the owner, the CEO Abhishek Gupta, coordinator Deshpal Singh have been remanded to 14 days judicial custody. This follows after what looked like clearly a flood water that entered into the premises and into the basement, the visual on your screen. Students tried their best to rush out in time, but 3 students could not. The fact is this basement was not supposed to be operating. It was illegal. In the recent video that has emerged from the coaching center, it reveals the chaotic scenes that unfolded. Some of the students tried to record it as well. This is from the outside on your screens. How the basement of the center got inundated, the water streaming in like a river. The students got trapped and some of them had to rescue each other. There was nobody else. But outside of the center also we realized that there was an iron gate that fell. It was broken. There were some jugaad arrangements that were made to stop this flood water that was existing. And yet when that couldn't stop it, it entered into the coaching center. Public outrage, rightly so, is growing on that. Students who were studying till now are out on the streets. They are protesting. They are demanding justice for the victims. Protests also politically have broken out.
5 या 10 मिनट हुई होंगी नीचे ऊपर से नीचे आए हुए, तो मैंने इतनी जल्दी तो पानी नहीं आ जाएगा। और हमारी जो लाइब्रेरी है वो 7 बजे क्लोज हो जाती है, आपको बताएं इंस्टीट्यूट की। तो 6:30 के समथिंग टाइम हो रहा था, तो हमने कि आधा घंटा और बैठते हैं और उसके बाद लाइब्रेरी वैसे भी क्लोज हो जाती है। जो वहाँ पर लाइब्रेरी में जो बैठते हैं वो उन्होंने एक बार कह भी दिया था कि हम लाइब्रेरी बंद होने वाली है, आप लोग अपना जो किताबें और बुक्स वगैरह और लैपटॉप वगैरह अपना समेट लो, बाइंड अप कर लो। तो हम लोग वो करने ही वाले थे, वैसे ही वो एक पर्सन जो गार्डमैन थे वो आए और एकदम चिल्लाने, जल्दी से बाहर निकलो, पानी आना वाला है। तो एक्चुअली हमारी एक साइड से इस साइड से एंट्री है गेट का, एक साइड से इस साइड से, बैक साइड से जो एंट्री है। तो हम जैसे ही मैं उठा तो बैक साइड मैंने देखा सीढ़ियों से पानी तब तक आ चुका था।
हम बात कर रहे हैं कि हम स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप लोग हम लोगों से बात करिए। हम लोग यहाँ पर पूरे साल रहते हैं। पॉलिटिशियंस 2 मिनट आते हैं, अपने बाइट देते हैं और चले जाते हैं। हम स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हम पूरे साल रहते हैं। आप हमसे बात करिए। आप बात करने ही नहीं आ रहे हैं, क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं? आप स्टूडेंट्स का डिमांड तभी जान पाएंगे ना जब आप हमारे बीच में आएंगे।
हमारी 6 डिमांड्स है। हमें प्रूफ ऑफ लाइफ चाहिए ऑफ द सर्वाइवर्स। वी ऑल्सो वांट द डिटेल्स ऑफ द डिजीज। We also want copy of the FIR. We also want an independent judicial inquiry to be against all the culprits. And we want this issue to not be repeated again. And we should take this as a wake-up call. That इसके regarding कुछ तो action या resolution लिया जाए।
आज उसमें मांग की है कि सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी, जो इस तरह के स्टूडेंट आते हैं उनके साथ सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी के मेजर्स क्या रहेंगे, कैसे होंगे। जिस तरह से ये हुआ, जो लॉस हुआ, इन बच्चों का लॉस हुआ, उनके परिवार के लिए पर्याप्त कंपनसेशन मिले। इंडिपेंडेंट इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए जिससे इंक्वायरी के नाम पर, इन्वेस्टिगेशन के नाम पर लीपापोती ना हो। उसकी निगरानी माननीय ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट अपने रिटायर्ड जस्टिस की निगरानी में कराए।
सूचना मिली कि हमारे अम्बेडकर नगर जनपद की छात्रा जो दिल्ली में रात में घटना हुई थी उसमें उसका देहांत हो गया। तो उसी के संदर्भ में जिला प्रशासन और जिलाधिकारी महोदय के निर्देश के अनुसार हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं ताकि उसके समस्या को उसको जान सके।
Isn't it becoming like a pattern that each time this incident happens, some photo opportunity, some immediate action is taken, and then the pattern continues? Shreya Chatterjee is joining me for the latest on this from the ground. Shreya, what are you picking up about the investigation and the fact that it's mind-numbing to think that it's not an accident, because there were complaints raised earlier, there were questions raised earlier on this, and yet nothing was done?
Well, absolutely, Pooja. You know, this is nothing less than a criminal negligence if we're talking on the part of the authorities. Accountability needs to be fixed. Now, when we talk about the center that we're talking about, which is the Rao IAS Institute, categorically they were running the library from a basement, which was actually permitted for the use of a storage. This was flagged also earlier because when there was a check that was done by the MCD after the fire incident in Mukherjee Nagar, they found that they were flouting out rules. There were show cause notice issued. even then when they get like NOCs renewed, when they get their commercial permits renewed, these are not done without the know-how of the authorities concerned. So even when we talk about who the accountability needs to be fixed on, the MCD officials of the Karol Bagh zone, because essentially the ward that we're talking about, the old Rajinder Nagar and the Rajinder Nagar ward comes under the Karol Bagh zone of MCD. Those officials, their accountability has to be fixed. So far as the institute and their owner and coordinators are concerned, they have been arrested. But unless and until accountability is fixed on the part of the government officials, we will continue to see these incidents. Remember, Pooja, this is not the first time that violation of building norms, essentially that of basement, has taken lives. This has happened before in the national capital as well. Even then, what is stopping these officials to actually sack those responsible for doing these work who are actually failing to do it again and again? So when we talk, MCD has to be taken into consideration, the local councillor, the MLA, so far as the government officers who also report to the LG, all of them need to be held accountable. A message need to be set out, because if we are not attempting to create a safe space for the students who are coming here to study, essentially this problem will not be solved completely.
Stay on with me, Shreya.